Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk with you randomly about the learning of mathematics. So this is not a well-prepared talk, so maybe I will go here and there, but I want to, or I will try to make sense through my talk. So let me ask you something. When was the last time math made you uncomfortable? You have to be honest. Just ask yourself this question. Was it that chapter on trigonometry? Or was that the unsolved integral problem? That moment when you started to stare on the board in your classroom and nothing made sense to you, whatever written on the board. Just try to hold that feeling. Because that right there is where the real math learning begins. Today, in this era, we treat mathematics like content. The content on the YouTube or Instagram. The mathematics is also treated like that by the students and especially the Gen Zs. Like it is supposed to be snappy, digestible, watered down things, and it is easy to watch. But here is the truth about the mathematics, and maybe it is harsh truth. Mathematics is not fashionable. It is not any entertainment, and absolutely it's not a 30-second dopamine hit, what you consume as a reel or any random reel. Math is a discipline, and like all disciplines, it demands something from you. You don't consume math, or better I can say that you cannot learn mathematics by just consuming math as a reel. You practice it, you wrestle with it, you respect it. And while learning mathematics, if you are not doing these things, you are not really learning mathematics at all. So why does math feel so hard to the students? Because what I think is because it is supposed to. Math is not about the memorizing the steps. I'm not demeaning here just by saying this statement that the mathematics is not to memorizing the steps. I'm not demeaning the memory skill. Memory is as much as important as practice or anything else while you are studying. Memory has its importance. It plays an important role in any kind of knowledge or the learning of anything. It is so what I say that the mathematics is not about memorizing the steps. It's about confronting your thinking. It's about confronting how you think and realizing maybe for the first time that your thinking needs sharpening. You have to invest all your focus while you are solving a problem in mathematics. So there must be a relation between your mind and you. The truth is, math is not magical. It's about something else. Like it's not a magical. It's not about being a math person. A kind of phrase nowadays it is popular in the internet. It's not about being a math person at all. It's about being okay with being confused sometimes or maybe some longer time. Learning math is like learning to speak a language that has no forgiveness. It demands logic when your brain wants comfort. It demands clarity when you are surrounded by chaos. It demands the focus when you are overwhelmed by just consuming the content of, or maybe the mathematical content on YouTube. You might fail. You might fail uh, to understand sometimes. You might feel dumb sometimes. You might feel wonder sometimes that is this even for me? Can I do mathematics? Am I made to do mathematics? And that is the harshest part of learning mathematics because it reflects you back to yourself. Mathematics is not hard because you are weak. So let me rephrase it. Uh, okay, so mathematics is not hard because you are weak. Mathematics is hard because it's deep. Because it builds like a tower or any building or any pyramid. And every missing brick matters. Those who have conquered this mathematics, so to speak, like, or we believe who has conquered this thing, or we assume that someone has conquered this mathematics, they have never done it quickly. They didn't do it quickly actually. They wrestled with this mathematics. They obsessed with it. In fact, they fell into the love, or maybe like I say that they fell in love with the problems, even when the solution of those problems was not that much clear, or even the solution to those problems was even out of reach of those people. So mathematics always rewards patience, not the perfection. And this is the beauty of mathematics. It only reveals itself to those people who stay with it. It will never stay with those people who live in the early learning stages. You have to stay with it. You have to show your patience. You have to be persistent. And I'm not saying this just for the sake of saying or just saying for the motivation, because I believe that the mathematics is not the kind of discipline or that kind of anything that can be done by motivation. You have to enjoy boredom at every stage. Believe me, mathematics is boring sometimes, and you have to go through that boredom while you are learning the mathematics. You have to build a habit of enjoying the boredom of mathematics sometimes. It's not like if you are not interested and I keep motivating you, you can do it or you can do it. No, you cannot do it because you are not interested. So first of all, you have to build up the interest. If you have no interest, nobody can help you. It's a harsh reality that if you don't like mathematics, only the motivational words cannot do it, cannot help it. So if you are persistent enough while keeping the interest, enjoying the boredom, the one day what will happen, something clicks. Maybe the equation, or let me say like that, maybe an equation feels like poetry to you. Maybe a graph starts to sing something to you. Maybe a pattern emerges from the fog That is the quiet joy of mathematics you will enjoy that day alone in your solitude. This kind of enjoyment or enjoyment, you can say, or this kind of realization is not loud, it's not viral, and believe me, it's not shared with the real content what you see in the YouTube these days. This realization is deeply yours and it will be with you forever. Mathematics is about the relationship that you have to build with your own mind to understand it. So remember one thing, if mathematics hurts you, and if it hurts, if it's slow, if it makes you want to quit, you are probably doing it right. I just request, stay with it, wrestle with it, stay math active.